Namaste, my friends. I am Vivek Agarwal, and today we are going to learn a very special breathing exercise in yoga called the Sampurna Yogic Shwas or the full yogic breath. Sampurna Yogic Shwas is so powerful, so special that I include it at least twice every week in my regular yoga classes. Yogic Shwas alone, if practiced regularly, can increase your lungs' capacity and help you remain calm in stressful situations. A little bit of knowledge on how our respiratory system works will help you get a bit deeper into the practice and also will help you appreciate this special practice a bit more. So, during the process of inhalation, our diaphragm muscles contracts and the intercostal muscles in our ribs expands, thereby creating more space for air in the lungs. And when more space gets created in the lungs, the air rushes inwards. So that process is inhalation. And what happens during exhalation is that the diaphragm muscles relaxes back to its normal positions. The intercostal muscles kind of relaxes back to their normal position, decreasing the space in the lungs and causing the air to flow out. So this is basically how inhalation and exhalation works. And there are several other parts of the body that helps in this process. For example, you must have heard about the abdominal breathing, the thoracic breathing, the clavicular breathing. When our abdomen moves forward and backward, it causes the diaphragm to move down and up, thereby creating more space for air in the lung. Similarly, when our ribs moves out and in, and when our sternum moves out and in, it again causes expansion and contraction, causing the air to flow in and out. And at times of stress, when our body really requires more oxygen, at that time our clavicles moves up and down. You may also notice a slight rise and fall in shoulders during the clavicular breathing. The beauty of full yogic breathing is that it involves use of all three of these. So sit down in an easy and comfortable seat of your choice and let's get ready to learn the full yogic breathing. So let's begin by doing the abdominal breathing. Place your palm on the abdomen so you can feel that abdomen is moving forward and backward. Now take a normal breath in and breathe out. Once again, take a deep breath in. This time, as you exhale, take your navel towards the spine, exhaling completely. As you breathe in, start expanding your abdomen, start expanding your stomach. Feel the hand moving forward. And as you exhale, gently start taking the navel towards the spine again. Feel the hand moving backward and completely exhale. Another breath in. Start expanding your abdomen, your stomach. Feel the hand moving forward. And as you exhale, gently start taking the navel towards the spine. Feel the hand moving backwards, exhaling completely. Now we may close our eyes for the next few rounds and start breathing in. As you breathe in, expand your abdomen, your stomach. Feel the hand moving forward. And as you exhale, gently pull the navel towards the spine, exhaling completely. Continue on your own for 2 more rounds, utilizing the muscles of your abdomen. Continue on your own. Gently, after completion of this round, you may relax and slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. Now let's do the thoracic breathing. We may place our hand on the chest Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Now, as you breathe in, gently start expanding your chest. Fill it with air, the sides of the chest. The chest is becoming bigger and bigger, creating more space. Now, exhale completely, slowly and steadily. Again, breathe in. Start expanding your chest, make it bigger and bigger. The sides of the chest, the front of the chest. And exhale completely. Once again, breathe in. Fill in your lungs. And slowly breathe out, exhaling completely. Continue for 2 more rounds. You may close your eyes if you are comfortable. After completing this round, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes. Now let's practice the clavicular breathing. Clavicular breathing is generally done along with the thoracic breathing. So let's keep our palm on the chest and take a normal breath in and breathe out. Now, as you breathe in, start expanding the chest, the sides of the chest. Fill in the lungs with air. And when you've completely expanded your chest, gently breathe in a tiny bit more. Again, a tiny bit more, lifting your upper chest a little. Now, gently relax your clavicle, relax your chest, and slowly and steadily completely exhale. Again, breathe in, start expanding the chest. When you've completely expanded your chest, gently breathe in a tiny bit more, a little bit more. And now relax your chest. Slowly and steadily, completely exhale. Now continue for 3 more rounds on your own. And if you're comfortable, you may keep your eyes closed. And after completing your rounds, taking your own time, you may gently open your eyes. The full yogic breath is a combination of abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing, and the clavicular breathing. Now let's practice the full yogic breathing. So you may keep one of your palms on the stomach and another one on the chest. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and completely exhale the air out. Pull your navel towards your spine. Now, for the first half of the inhalation, start expanding the abdomen, the stomach. For the second half of the inhalation, start expanding your chest, the sides of the chest. And when you've completely expanded your chest, breathe in a little bit more and a little bit more. Now gently, slowly start exhaling by relaxing your shoulders, collarbones, relax your chest muscles, and finally pull the navel towards the spine. You may close your eyes for the next 2 rounds. Breathe in. For the first half of the inhalation, start expanding your abdomen. For the second half, expand your chest. When you've completely expanded your chest, breathe in a little bit more and a little bit more. Now, gently, slowly start exhaling by relaxing your shoulders, collarbones, relax your chest muscles, and finally pull the navel towards the spine. Breathe in for the first half, start expanding your abdomen. For the second half, your chest. And when you've completely expanded your chest, breathe in a little bit more, a little bit more. Now, gently, slowly start exhaling by relaxing the shoulders, the collarbones, relax your chest muscles, and finally pull the navel towards the spine. And relax. Let go of all your efforts and just relax. Take a moment to feel the difference, to appreciate yourself for taking out the time to pay attention to your breath. Breath is something that matters the most. Whenever you feel complete, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes. Thank you. Namaste.